is Rough Rock Falls out of Spearfish Canyon, and I have truly never seen it so green here. It's all this rain we've been getting. Also, the water's flowing pretty well because of that rain. This is one of my favorite places. It's always so peaceful and just feels spiritual. A lot of good energy here. This is my favorite place at Spearfish Canyon. It's just a little picnic area, but it's so peaceful. Most people come in here and think they're going to find something, but I just love to sit in here and meditate. I usually have it to myself, but we are in the heart of tourist season. And this is a scene that I get from my favorite place, one of my favorite places in the hills. I just wish you could feel the serenity here. This is one of my feel-good places. Would make a perfect campsite, except no camping is allowed here. There's that little creek down there. Kind of reminds me of the camping places that we used to take the kids in the big trees area. But basically people come to see the falls, and then after they see the falls, they split. A lot of people aren't in tune to the serenity that is in the hills. But then a lot of people are. Just talked to a couple that are doing the same thing I did once they're here, thinking about maybe they should buy here. It was while I was in the hills, the Black Hills, that I did decide to buy here. I never intended to completely move here, but you never know what life's going to bring. As you can see from the sign, they had filmed some of Dances with Wolves in this spot. There is a beaver dam, or had been, over there. I would take a closer walk, but like I said, we've gotten so much rain. It's very wet, and we actually have a little creek running through here. When it's not so overgrown with foliage, I can see exactly what scene was filmed here. It's just so very peaceful, and this is still in Spearfish Canyon, right off of Rough Rock Falls. You can understand why Kevin Costner decided to make his film here, and why the natives are so very, or were so very protective of this land. They have their high holy places, and I can just feel the different spirit in different places. And this is one of my favorite areas to visit. Here at Spearfish Canyon, at a site where some of the filming for Dancing with Wolves was done. I just love the top of the rocks, seeing the trees growing out. tempted to get my fishing pole out. If I saw fish, I probably would. And that's my little Daisy. Tell me, go back to the car.